Have you ever seen 275 waterfalls in the same place? Well, this is the only spot in the world where you can. You're looking at Iguazu Falls on Brazil's border. It's the largest waterfall system in the world. Every second, enough waterfalls to fill 5 Olympic swimming pools. Oi, I'm Linda, and that's how a lot of Brazilians say hey. Everything in Brazil is big. It's the largest country in South America and shares a border with every country on the continent, except for Chile and Ecuador. Other than its size, Brazil is known for its music, celebrations, and a whole lot of nature. Brazil actually gets its name from a tree. It's called a pau-brasil. The tree's wood is valuable because of its color and strength. It's used to make red dye and bows for instruments like violins and cellos. In the 1500s, Portuguese explorers happened upon the tree after they accidentally sailed to what is now Brazil. They meant to go to India, which is all the way over here. Oops. Most people in Brazil still speak Portuguese today, but there are many indigenous tribes that speak other languages. Some of these tribes live in the rainforest and are rarely ever seen. That's because this isn't just any rainforest. It's the biggest in the world. The Amazon rainforest covers almost half of Brazil's land. Millions of creatures live in and below these trees. There are so many that scientists are still discovering a new species every other day. Let's take a look at a few of the amazing species they've seen so far. Say hello to the glass frog. This little one's abdomen is so translucent, you can see right into its body. And this quirky little critter is a Kinkajou. In addition to having a very fun name to say, the Kinkajou also has some crazy features. It's able to turn its feet backwards, so it can run in either direction as it scales trees. Underwater, you'll find the Amazon river dolphin. These dolphins are partially pink. They have long, skinny snouts that they use for digging in the mud. The Amazon River is home to a lot of other creatures, and they have plenty of room to roam. The river is one of the longest in the world. It runs through the rainforest and dumps water into the Atlantic Ocean on the other side of Brazil. Along the coast, you'll find some of the country's biggest cities. This is Rio De Janeiro, and when it comes to parties, this city doesn't hold back. Every winter, the city explodes with color as hundreds of thousands of people gather in celebration. This party is known as Carnaval, and it's famous for its spectacular parade. You'll see fantastical floats and thousands of samba dancers, all competing to be crowned Carnival champions. From its celebrations to its rainforests and waterfalls, Brazil does it big. But there's still a lot left of this massive country to explore. Make sure to check out KiwiCo's Atlas Crate line if you want to keep learning about Brazil. With Atlas Crate, you'll learn about a different country each month. You'll get to know the culture with hands-on projects and cook local food with a traditional recipe. Check out KiwiCo.com to get your crates and start exploring.